Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to dribble effectively in eFootball so you can guide past defenders like a pro. So let's get started with the video. First, open your eFootball and log into your account as always. This will take a few minutes or seconds to get into your home page, so you might want to wait for a while. Once you are in your home page and you have to start a match, when you are in a match, use the left joystick to move your player in different directions. I will guide you on how to do it right now, right here. This is a basic dribble control. To change pace, lightly tilt the stick for slow dribbles or push it fully for quicker run. Mastering this small detail makes it harder for defenders to predict your move. If you want to close control dribbling, hold R2 and R2 hold the R2 and R3 button while moving. This keeps the ball close to your player's feet, perfect for tight spaces. You can also change dribble move with commands like quick flick off the stick or combining with sprint for sudden directional change. And that's it guys. With practice, you will dribble past opponents with ease in eFootball. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop your favorite dribble move in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.